Welcome to this detailed step-by-step guide on using Wix. If you've been thinking about building a professional-looking website but feel unsure of where to start, you are in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you how to harness Wix's powerful tools, including its AI-driven design features, to create a fully functional and visually stunning website. Whether you are setting up a portfolio, a business website, or even an online store, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. So grab a cup of coffee and let's build your dream website together. When you log into Wix, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you'll see a big button that says Create New Site. This is your starting point, so click on this. And Wix will ask you what kind of website you're trying to build. Options include business, portfolio, blog, online store, and more. Let's say you're building a personal portfolio. To showcase your work, choose Portfolio from the options and Wix will take you to the next step. Now, instead of starting everything from scratch, we are going to use Wix AI or Artificial Design Intelligence. This simplifies the process by asking you a few questions and then generating a partial design that you can tailor later. What kind of website are you creating? For example, if you'd like to create a portfolio, then select Portfolio. And what features do you need? Options include a contact form, an online store, or a blog, and you can choose anything that is relevant to your site. And lastly, what is your website name? You just need to type in your business or project name such as John Doe Photography, for example, and then after answering these questions, Wix AI or ADI will create a draft design based on your inputs. This layout includes essential sections like a homepage, an about section, and a gallery, if applicable. For example, portfolio site might automatically include a sleek photo grid and a space to describe your services. Once the draft is ready, you can refine it further. You can click on Edit in Wix Editor, and this is where the real customization begins. Now that you've got a solid starting point, it's time to make your website truly your own. The Wix Editor is designed to be user-friendly with a drag-and-drop system that allows you to easily remove, resize, and edit elements. For example, if you want to edit or add a text, start with the text element inside it. Click on any text box and a toolbar will appear. Replace placeholder text with your own content. For example, you can change the headline at the top of your homepage to something bold and personal like, "Hi, I am John Doe, capturing moments that matter." You can also change the font size, color to match your style, and if it's a business website, you may prefer something more and professional. Now you can also add or replace images. Focus on the visuals. Click on any image that you see and select the change image. Here you can upload your own image directly from your computer or browse through the extensive media library from Wix, which offers thousands of pre-stock images and videos. For example, if you are a travel blogger, you can replace placeholder images with breathtaking shots of your favorite destinations. You can also use Wix photo editing tools to crop, adjust brightness, or add filters. Every Wix template is divided into sections such as the About, Gallery, Testimonials, and Footer. If you want to add a new section, just click the Add section here on the left-hand menu. Choose from a variety of pre-designed options such as the An About Me section to share something or your story, Testimonial section to highlight the reviews of your clients, and the CTA or what we call Call to Action section to encourage visitors to get in touch or purchase your services. While the drag and drop sections or this system helps you rearrange their order. For example, if you want your portfolio gallery to appear above your bio, you can just simply drag this whole section upward. Now that the structure of your site is ready, let's add functionality to make it more interactive, and Wix offers a range of tools and apps to enhance your website. Every website needs a way for visitors to get in touch. You can add a contact form by clicking the Add in the left-hand menu and selecting the contact and forms. Drag the form to your desired location, such as the bottom of your homepage or a dedicated contact page. For example, if you want to input your name, your email address, and the message input box. You can also style the form by changing the background color, font and button design to match the rest of your site. Next one is the integration of your social media. Adding social media icons allow visitors to connect with you on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You can click the Add button, select social media, and drag the icons to your footer or sidebar or to your menu. You can link these icons to your accounts by entering your personal URLs or your profile URLs. This feature is especially useful if you are running a blog or portfolio, as it encourages visitors to engage on other social media platforms. Now, if you want to share updates, tips, or stories considering adding a blog, click the Add page and choose Blog. Wix will automatically create a blog layout with post templates where you can customize the layout, add a header image, and start writing your very first post. Blogs are an excellent way to drive traffic to your site. You can showcase your expertise and keep your audience engaged using blogs. There are advanced features in Wix. Wix Market offers hundreds of additional tools. For example, you can use the SEO Wiz, optimize your site for reaching the search engines of the user. You can also use Wix Bookings for scheduling appointments, and also Wix Stores for selling your products online. You can browse the app market to find the best application or features that might fit your specific needs. And as you can see, we are now nearing to completing our website. Once your design and features are complete, it's time to make sure that everything works as intended. Click the preview button at the top right corner of the Wix editor to see how your site will look to visitors. You can take your time to go through every page, click every link, and test interactive features like your contact form or the social media buttons. And when you're confident that everything looks perfect, click the Publish. Wix will prompt you to choose a domain name. If you don't already have one, you can use the free Wix domain, which is the name of your site, .wixsite.com. Well, for a professional look, you can consider purchasing or connecting your own custom domain. After publishing, your website is now live. But don't worry, this isn't the end. You can always return to your site or to the Wix editor to make updates and add new pages or even refine the whole design of the site. Well, congratulations, you've just created and published your very own website using Wix. From using AI to generate a partial design, to customizing every detail manually, you now have the tools to build a site that truly represents your brand or your passion. Remember, your website is a work in progress, so keep experimenting and adding new features as you grow as a business or as a person. If you found this guide very helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what kind of website you built. Thanks for watching and happy website building.